Welcome. In this video I will show you how to right click on your Ideapad C340 laptop. So to right click on your touchpad, you either have to press the touchpad with two fingers. So let me just put a cursor on the place where you can see it, and then just tap with two fingers, and this will imitate the right click. Or you can just press your touchpad in the right lower corner right here, and it will do the same thing. And that's basically how you use right click on your touchpad on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.